Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a small haul. I think this is all from AliExpress, but I'm not positive. I've been ordering a lot lately. Found some good deals. Oh yeah. This is I hate to even take her out, but I do want to check her eyes. I had this doll on the shelf. I keep a stash of Blythe dolls, kind of a large stash, of the Blythe dolls for collabs and challenges and stuff for face-ups. Boy, I hate to take this off. I love this girl. I pulled one out who you will see. Ooh, I hope we can get her hair. She didn't have a face shield. This is an icy Blythe. The face mold is different than the regular Blythes. I love this hair. It's such a mess. I just play with it, but it'll grow if I touch it. You hold the back of the head on the Blythe dolls and pull on the cord, and the dolls change eye color and eye direction. All right, let's get this back on as fast as we can, or I swear to you, this hair, it's too late. It really is too late. How do I do this? Oh no! Oh no!
Set her aside, I'll help you.
She's so cute. I promise you, at the end of this video, you will notice that this hair is bigger. These curls relax once you open them. Love these dolls. I have taken them and done the downy dip on them to loosen the curls, and I have girls with curly hair. I love this, but it grows. And when you want it, oh, here's a curl.
A little piece came out.
When you want it up on the shelf, oh.
Takes twice as much room.
When you want to wait, yeah, because it can get, you know, when you put it up, when you put them back in the box, you don't want their hair uneven, because then you really have trouble setting it all up again. But there they are. What is this? Oh, these are, Darren and I carry extra keys to our house on our bicycles. Shouldn't tell that, should I? In case you see our bike parked somewhere. These are really cute. It's also a bottle opener right here. They're just cute little keychains. Those were on the front page, inexpensive. So I got a few because it seems we look for, it's red, cool. All right, there should have been another one of those. Yeah, at least one. Oh, maybe this is it. Okay, let's see what other doll came. These dolls have been on the front page. Oh yeah, these don't open like that, okay. Front page or home page of AliExpress, a little less than the asking price. The asking price for an Blythe, I call them Blythe. People call them factory and fakies and all kinds of stuff. They're just, I won't go into. Anyway, oh yeah, this is for an upcoming collab. You know what? Her hair is a little different. Let's get her out. It's more silvery than my other blue dolls. Anyway, the price on the front page, home page of AliExpress is cheaper than if you put in the search Blythe doll. And right now, the price is going up on these dolls, and average price right now is getting into the $20 range. Okay, let's look at her eyes first. Make sure they click. Uh-oh, there we go. You gotta pull it kind of hard. It's not a Kenner, is it? Oh, gosh. She's so cute. Now, this hair is definitely more silver. I love that. This is what I call winter blue. Oh, love her. So there's going to be an upcoming, I have 5 upcoming makeover videos, and I just did one. If you haven't seen our Smart Doll 3 eyes and headlights video, you missed it. 5 channels did that. Oh, I should have laid her hair, but that's all right. There she is. And every channel did it different. They're so cool. Oh, these are not the size I thought they were. These, now I'm really disappointed. These were supposed to be Blythe size. Oh my, this is for a collab. Oh my, who will those fit? Well, I'm sure I have a doll.
Or you'll get one.
Yeah, with all the dolls I have here. But that's really disappointing. And they came so fast. And I thought it said Blythe. No, they're not. Okay, let's move on. You don't want to hear me, I'll say it nice, bemoan. 2 more. Very cool. These are just so cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and
Wait, there's a box
subscribe.
here.
There's another box. Oh, wait, there's
some-
more. And I wanted to point out that the Blythe dolls, the Ali Blythes come with different hands. Love that. Yeah, this is from China. I don't have a clue what this could be. The right size tennis shoes, maybe? Let's open this up. It's always fun to get stuff from AliExpress. You never know. Wait till you see what's in this box.
A dress.
This was from the front page of AliExpress. I actually have this dress for my Blythe dolls, but it was so inexpensive that I went ahead and I got another blue one. Please leave a comment. There's a lot to comment about in this particular video. Does anyone else see the Bride of Frankenstein in this doll? Or there was a little girl who had a little curl right in the middle of her forehead. When she was good, she was very, very good. But when she was bad, she was horrid. Love these dolls. Highly recommend them. And these Ali Blythes are so much fun and so articulated.